Imagine a future where parents can choose how intelligent, strong, or attractive their children will be before they are born. It may sound like science fiction, but with gene editing technology like CRISPR, it is becoming more realistic. As the article My Body, My Genes explains, CRISPR has made gene editing much cheaper and easier, while this technology can help treat serious diseases and improve lives. It also raises many ethical and social concerns. We need to be careful about how it is used. In my opinion, gene editing should only be used for medical purposes, such as treating serious diseases, and not for improving human abilities or changing natural traits. Without clear limits, it should increase inequality, reduce human diversity, and create problems for future generations. First, gene editing could make society less fair. If rich families can improve their children genetically, they may have advantages that others cannot afford. This could create a bigger gap between people and put pressure on everyone to upgrade themselves. The article also mentions that some biohackers are already trying to improve muscles or eyesight, showing that this trend has already started. Second, gene editing could change the way we see human life. People are naturally different, and that diversity is valuable. If we start creating perfect people, we may begin to treat humans like products instead of individuals. Although some people believe that my genome is my own, personal freedom should not come before the good of society. Gene editing could also make sports unfair. The World Anti-Doping Agency has already banned gene doping because it could give athletes an unfair advantage. If gene doping becomes difficult to detect, fair competition and hard work may lose their value. Finally, scientists still do not fully understand the long-term effects of gene editing. As the researcher Robin Lover points out in the article, it may cause unexpected health problems, and these changes could even be passed on to future generations. Some people argue that gene editing should be freely allowed because it supports personal freedom and scientific progress. I understand this idea, but I still believe strict rules are necessary. Even experts like John Harris say that experiments do not mean that technology is ready for everyone. In conclusion, gene editing has great potential, especially for treating diseases and improve health care. However, it should be carefully controlled to prevent unfairness and ethical problems. I hope Stronger international laws and guidelines will help make sure this powerful technology is used safely and responsibly.